Welcome. This is IBDP AAHL Paper 1 for May 2022, Time Zone 2. Question number 1. The nth term of arithmetic sequence is un equals to 15 minus 3n. State the value of the first term. So, the formula for the nth term has been given as 15 minus 3n. So first term means substitute n equals to 1. 15 minus 3 times 1, which is 15 minus 3, which is going to be 12. Given that the nth term of the sequence is minus 33, find the value of n. Now, that is part A. Now part B, nth term of the series, which is 15 minus 3n equals to negative 33. Find the value of n. Negative 3n equals to negative 33, negative 15, negative 3n equals to negative 48, n equals to 16. That's going to be the answer. Now for part C, find the common difference. So I am going to find it out the second term. So first substitute n equals to 2 to get the second term, 3 times 2, which is 15 minus 6, which is going to be 9. 9 is going to be the second term. So now what will be the common difference? Common difference is second term minus first term, which is 9 minus 12, which is negative 3. So answer is common difference is negative 3. Now coming to the second question. Consider any three consecutive integers n minus 1, n and n plus 1. Prove that the sum of these three integers is always divisible by 3. So I am going to add them, n minus 1, n and n plus 1. When I am adding them, we can see that n and 1 gets cancels, 3n. So therefore, which is always, 3n means it is always divisible by 3. Always divisible by 3. That is part A. Part B, prove that the sum of the squares of these three integers is never divisible by 3. We have to prove that the sum of the squares means n minus 1 whole square plus n square plus n plus 1 whole square. I need to add them and show that this is never divisible by 3. So n minus 1 whole square is what? N square minus 2n plus 1, and n square as it is. N plus 1 whole square is n square plus 2n plus 1. We can see that 2n gets cancels. N square plus n square plus n square is nothing but what? 3n square plus 1 is nothing but how much? 2. We can see that 3n square is always divisible by 3. 3n square is always divisible by 3. But this plus 2 is there. So we have plus 2. So therefore, which is not divisible by 3. Because you get a multiple of 3. So 3n square will be a multiple of 3. 3n square is a multiple of 3. So to get next multiple of 3, we need to add 3. To get next multiple, need to add 3. But we are adding only 2. So therefore, this is not divisible by 3. That's going to be the answer. So that completes this video. See you in the next video for the next questions.